very hungry because there are no foods at the moment. And we came out of hiding. It's cold. Look at these. They're black small little birds. By the way, this is near my flat. Let's go down. And that's the student living there. Building. That's where I live. Okay. So let's go back. You see the sky? They might be very hungry. Guys, thank you for watching this monotony thing that I am taking